Milestones of the Century. To Tokyo's International Military Tribunal in 1948, facing sentence for war crimes, came Japan's infamous Hideki Tojo, the man who had ordered the attack on Pearl Harbor. Also to receive sentence with Tojo were top-ranking military and civilian leaders of Nippon's defeated war machine. Now, after 2.5 years of legal battle, the climax had come. On this final day, Tojo, the warlord, who had earlier failed in an attempt to take his own life, led his fellow defendants into the prisoner's dock. Judges representing 11 allied nations filed into the crowded courtroom, which was charged with expectancy. During the long, bitterly fought trial, 2 defendants died. The terrific strain began to show on vanquished and victor alike. Here in the granite building that had once housed the Japanese War Ministry, the months of anguish wore by. Camera crews unknowingly recorded the almost unnoticeable deterioration of one of the defendants. Shorthand experts took down nearly 10 million words of testimony, and the records consumed 100 tons of paper. In a scene that would be simply comic, were it not for its tragic undertones, this pitifully humorous action was caught by the camera. Judged unable to stand trial, the defendant was removed and the proceedings continued. Hideki Tojo, who had been Japan's premier and former army commander in Manchuria, had a long list of war atrocities charged against him. His court-appointed counsel alone had read into the record a 64,000-word defense plea. But to this tribunal of men weary of war and its aftermath had fallen a moral responsibility. They could not ignore the fact that dictatorships, acting even beyond the ordinary horror of war, had sacrificed generations of human beings like fertilizer to create their own perverted version of utopia. Culminating a trial that cost $9 million, Tojo entered the dock. The verdict upon tyranny was about to be passed.
The accused is charged under counts 1, 27, 29, 31, 32, 33, 36, 54, and 55. Tribunal finds Tojo guilty under count 54.
Tojo and 6 colleagues were hung. Justice had prevailed among the milestones of the century.